I don't know. What would be in there? Do I open this? Or is this just a box? I don't want to break it. No. I'm worried about it. It says it's supposed to be a magical creature. Are you supposed to wet this? So become a magical creature? Or it's just a box? It doesn't say. Weird. I'm serious, it doesn't say. No. Yeah, because look, it has like a little square thing here, so I don't know if that's supposed to be opened. Nope. I don't think so either. I'm hoping that you're not supposed to put it in water and it's supposed to change to something. I'm just going to leave it like that and see what comes out of here. Let's see who comes out here. Who's in here? This is strange. Which way did I open this? This way. Okay. I opened it from the side of the baul instead of the top. Okay. It's easier to open it from the side. Who are you? You look like George. I knew it. George. So George does this. He's cute. All of them are cute, but these are cute. Look how they look. These are from 5 and below, guys. I'm doing another. It's gonna fall into a second video because I'm already. Let's put this in here. Yeah, it is a wand. It fits right in his hand. He's holding a wand, the wand. Wow. If you guys know the names of these guys, let me know. Comment it down because I really don't know. Like I said, I've been out of the world of Harry Potter since my children were little. And the grandkids are not really into Harry Potter. They're into more the anime. So let me put you on top. Let's see if you stand up. Stay. I hope they watch me to the end because it's going to be 2 videos. I didn't think it was going to be so long. These things take so long to open. There you go. I lined them up. Last one but not least. Let's see who's in here. I think these are cool to collect. For people that are into the Harry Potter scene. Because I don't think Harry Potter's going to finish. I don't think it's going to go on. Yeah, I don't think so. Okay, the first one is a scratch one. So let's see what's in the scratch. Let's see what creature comes out of here. Oh no, I might have 2 of the same. Please. No. This one, has a snake. Yeah, I have another snake, so I probably have the first one. It's the same snake. Yeah. See, this is the thing. When you go to these type of stores and you looking through the boxes and stuff, sometimes they pull out 1 or 2 boxes and they mix them all up. So you might get 2 of the same. I pray all the time that I don't, but I got grandkids, so I can give them away. Yeah, I can give it away. There's always one of them that's going, Grandma, I seen this on your TV, on your YouTube channel. Yep, it's the same one as before. So is this the first one? Just like the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's, oops. I gotta put the stuff inside. So I will be doing my nails sometime because they're atrocious. I'm telling you. Atrocious. I didn't know that the nails were gonna break so fast. But I think what it is with me is that I didn't put sufficient enough acrylic on it. Yeah, got a little green bottle again. I think I didn't put sufficient acrylic on it. So I didn't make it firm enough. It's been a while. I haven't done my nails. I've been lazy. So when I did it, I kind of like maybe didn't put enough. Oh, and the second thing was because you know how you're supposed to basically sort of make the nail on the top kind of rough so the acrylic can actually stick to it. Because of the picture of Minnie Mouse on it, I could not sand it down like I wanted. I couldn't buff it or sand it. So I couldn't give it grip. So every time I would put the acrylic on, it was sliding off because of the shiny part. Because they're, remember, the nails have a shiny. So you're supposed to file that off in order to put the acrylic on to stick. So it didn't stick, yeah. So it didn't stick well. So I did what I could. I did what I could with what I could. I still liked them. It still came out pretty. I took pictures and I posted them up. I got compliments on my Facebook. Yeah, I got compliments. Even from people I didn't even know they were watching me. Talking about family. Yeah, I didn't even know family's still watching me. Here's the little one. Family is still watching, which is good. I love it. The more viewing, the more viewing, the more viewing I get. I love it. Here, like I said, there's a little broom. A broom. Yeah. So I got 2 mystery ones that end up, I don't know their names, but they're mystery. That's why I say whoever's watching me, put it down, put it in the comments. Let me know that the characters' names. 'Cause I really don't know. Look at this. I like the outfit because it's green. I like the outfit because it's green. Like, it's awesome. Bam. So I started with one of this. Let's put you in here. Put all your little knickknacks in one. And then stand you up here. So I hope you guys like my little video. I hope you stay to the end and enjoy this and enjoy the little Harry Potter thingies. So if you like this, remember to like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment. See you guys later. Bye-bye.